I'll be going through with you some of the important part. You just log into your thing and you go to settings. You'll see this window. To change the company details, you just go to company and you just see that the company type and the company name, company address. So I haven't put any because it's just fake. I'm just doing this for tutorial. And you can add the town, country and everything. Choose category of business, it's accounting and bookkeeping, whatever category it is. So you choose that and write the description, save changes, add all the details, and you just save at the end. And the second part is company logo. Here you just select the file and you can upload the logo for invoices. This logo will appear on your invoices, so you can just select it simply from your desktop where you have saved it and upload it, and make sure that it's in PNG, GIF or JPG format. So you need to make sure that, and you just upload the logo that will appear on the invoices. Now you can add the users and the password. So I have current user, that's the account owner, which is myself. That's the email I've added, and I can add another user, new user, type in the email that I want to add, their name, the date of birth, of whatever I want to say, if they are director, company secretary, whoever I'm giving the access to, their accountants or whatever. And I can say status and stuff like that, and I can send them invitation, and they can set their password once they receive the invitation, and I can click create new user, right? And that's it. So I can give access to as many people as I want. I can also give them full access. Okay, so I can see what access I want. I can give up till here, up till banking, bills, whatever I want to give. So for example, I'm giving access until invoices and estimates and files. I don't want the access of bills, banking, so users can't see purchase or bank transactions. Okay, and so this is what the users can see. So whatever access I want to give, and the full access means that they can see everything, right? So it's up to me what permission I want to give them to see, and then create the new user. Okay, and then I can go to export all data, and here I can export into Excel file, and export it, click export, and I can export it easily, all the data. And I can also delete the account if I want. So I can simply delete the account um, by I can just export the data first of all before I delete it, so that I have the data in Excel format, and so that and then uh, I can just click this all these things, which will delete everything, and enter my password and delete my account forever. Okay, and if I want to reset the data, I can just export the data, and so that I have all the data before resetting, and do the same thing. Click on all these things and enter the password and reset my data. And the country options, I can see short date format, or whatever format you want to set up. It's up to you how you want to set up. And then you know, you can set up the time zone in London, whatever you want to have a look, and it could be in kilometer or miles, and save the changes, right? And these are just the settings. Then let's go to emails, and here I can say that send weekly emails, which will send which will give attention to invoices that I need to chase, okay, or tax deadlines. So I can say send weekly emails, or I can send the notifications. Okay, and so that's the thing. So that's whole thing about the company. So you can just set according to your requirements.